Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Happy Thursday to you. Today is August the 14th. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. Another muggy start, but that's to be expected here for the middle part of August. And the tropics are still a bit active as we continue to watch Erin, which is forecast to become a hurricane here over the next few days. Looking at the sky cam, again, very quiet out here this morning. We've got a few clouds. Had some showers back over parts of southwest Mississippi and the Florida parishes there over southeastern Louisiana, but locally we're in pretty good shape. So as far as any weather issues on your morning commute, at this point those should be minimal, but there will be some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms again later this afternoon. I know we didn't have a lot of coverage locally, but out in the west we sure did, but I think there will still be some of those scattered storms in and around the area later today. And that of course would impact the students this afternoon, but this morning at the bus stop temperatures will remain in the upper 70s under partly cloudy skies. There's a look at our current temperatures. Again, most of the region running in the mid to upper 70s, got a handful of 80s out there too. And again, some of those thunderstorms there over southwestern Mississippi getting a bit heavy there over around Natchez. And the rest of the region showing some bigger thunderstorms, maybe or slightly some showers over the upper Texas coast and some rain chances out in the offshore waters. We still have that bit of a low pressure area and trough/tropical wave that's going to go ahead and roll westward and move inland over Texas over the next couple of days. At the same time, more of a ridge of high pressure is going to be building in the upper levels from the east and then pushing off toward the west. Not only is that going to be shutting our rain chances down here locally, but also might be part of the steering mechanism for a tropical storm Erin, which might be Hurricane Erin here a little farther down the road. Frontal boundary to our north will be more of the focal point for showers and thunderstorms from the Arklatex up through the Tennessee Valley, while things will be a little bit more spotty here locally. And again, if you look over Florida, there's the beginning of that ridge of high pressure that's going to be strengthening and building westward. So chances for rain will be going down over the course of the weekend, but temperatures will be going up. So for today, again, partly cloudy skies early on. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, hit and miss, so not everybody's going to get the rain again this time around. Very similar forecast to what we've seen over the past several days. And then as a ridge of high pressure starts to back build into the area, chances for rain go down, temperatures go up. We might see a few more heat advisories going up over the course of the weekend. Meanwhile, today temperatures should hit the low to mid 90s with heat index values up around 105 and then dropping back into the mid to upper 70s for our overnight lows. Now we do still have a little piece of energy over the Yucatan that's now starting to emerge out into the Bay of Campeche. That has a very low end chance for development, and it should continue to move westward over toward the Mexican and Texas coastline. Rougher seas down closer to that disturbance, but our local waters will see winds out of the southwest today about 10 to 15 knots and seas running 1 to 3 feet. Meanwhile, the rest of the tropical Atlantic, we're watching Erin, which continues to make its way off toward the west very rapidly. It is moving into a more favorable area for development. So even though it's had a good low-level circulation, there hasn't been a lot of thunderstorm activity developing around that center. But over the next couple of days, we expect more of that as it continues to move westward into a moisture atmosphere, as well as a region that's got higher sea surface temperatures and higher heat content too. But this morning's advisory still holding it at 50 miles per hour. It is expected to be a hurricane by the time we reach tomorrow afternoon. And at this point, it still looks like it should be very close to the northern Caribbean islands, but it will be a near miss, hopefully. But then it's expected to become a major hurricane farther down the road. Bermuda would have to need to watch out for this. The East Coast, so far so good about being safe from this, as most of the forecast models make a significant turn once it passes Puerto Rico, but the intensity models are ramping this up into a hurricane now within 24 to 36 hours. So I think we'll be talking about Hurricane Erin sometime tomorrow. We'll go over all the models and look at anything else that might be concerning on Let's Talk Tropics. That's live today at noon right here on Acadiana Weather Today. Getting up to 93 for your high. Again, partly cloudy skies, couple of showers and thunderstorms will be firing up this afternoon. More of the same for the weekend. Can't completely get rid of the rain chance, but I think we're going to be dropping these chances down into the 20 to 30% range as we get into Friday and Saturday. Hence the temperatures reaching the mid 90s, and those heat index could be getting very, very close to heat advisory criteria. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. Remember, you can hear my forecasts on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. Also follow my social media pages for updates on any severe weather or any tropical updates, both on Facebook and X. And of course, thanks to everyone who's already subscribed to Acadiana Weather Today right here on YouTube. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Enjoy your Thursday. Hope to see you live for Let's Talk Tropics at noon.